In this video, we're going to learn how to use the spectrophotometer, specifically how to handle the cuvettes that are used for making these measurements. The cuvettes will always have a clear pathway, two faces that are clear and two sides that are frosted. You only handle the cuvette by the frosted sides. Try never to touch the clear glass sides. The oils from your finger, you'll leave fingerprints. Okay. Generally, we keep these cuvettes as clean as we can. Always wash them out when you're done. We usually expect them to be clean, and rinse them out before using them by this manner. You squirt deionized water in, and you just flick it over your waste container to expel the liquid. Do this a few times so you feel like you're getting it nice and clean. This, and then simply tap it on a paper towel. Just tap it on a paper towel to get the last bit of water out. Okay, remember, always handling it only by the frosted sides. Okay, so today we're going to make a measurement, and it involves a dilution. I've recorded in my notebook exactly how to make this dilution, and I'm going to follow the instructions here. I'm going to do a 1 to 10 dilution. I have a 1 mil cuvette, so I'm going to start by putting 900 microliters of my buffer into the cuvette. Okay. Now it's very nice if you have a cuvette holder. These things can fall over easily, so if you have a cuvette holder, always keep it in the cuvette holder. There's my 900 microliters. And I'm going to put a dilution of another sample. This is a 1 to 10, so I'm going to put 100 microliters of my sample. Okay, so this is S1. I'm going to take the 100 microliters here. Okay, and put this into the cuvette. Good pipette technique along the edge. You can go under the liquid if you want. Up and down to rinse the tip is a good idea. Okay. Now at this point, the mixing is done with a piece of parafilm that has the paper backing on it. So you hold your finger on the paper backing. You put the parafilm on top of the cuvette, hold it snugly, and invert like this. Okay. When you can then take the parafilm off, kind of off to the side, and the liquid will stay in there. This, of course, can be used again. We always like to wipe off the edges of our cuvette and then put it into the machine. You would have already zeroed the machine, so you know you've got the proper wavelength. You can read off your absorbance value from here. Write your measurement down, okay, and then come back and rinse your cuvette again into the wet. Now, if you wanted to save this sample, you could, of course, put it into a test tube. This is disposable at this point, so we'll just put this into the waste and then rinse it out a few times. If you're going to make another measurement, you would then tap out the very last few drops of water on a paper towel. Okay, and you're ready for your next measurement. If that was your last measurement, you're done. We usually leave the cuvettes open side down. Thank you.